This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, February 14th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We have a trough digging in across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes with some energy coming along with it. This is with that clipper system that's moving through today. This will bring a few flurries. It brought a few flurries or a little bit of sprinkle activity last evening. It'll continue to bring some flurries or light snow, little if any accumulation, maybe a dusting to a half-inch mainly in northeastern Iowa. And on Friday, that system moves off to the east into the eastern Great Lakes, the northeast down into the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. Around here, we could still see a few clouds, some flurries still with highs in the 20s to near 30. Saturday, still rather cold. Morning lows around the upper single digits to the lower to middle teens, maybe some upper teens to near 20 in the far western counties. Still remaining mostly sunny with a few clouds. And then Sunday, the winds switch around to the south and southwest, so temperatures will warm back up. Maybe approaching 30 in some areas, with lower to middle 30s, especially in the southwestern counties of the state. But we see that low pressure to our west. That moves to the north and east near Duluth. With the northern storm, we have a southern storm further to the south with some rain showers and a little bit of wintry mix maybe over Kansas, snow well off to our north. The two phase into a pretty decent storm system over the east coast. This could affect the southeastern counties or the eastern counties of the state late Monday night into Tuesday with a bit of rain, wintry mix, or some snow. And then well off to our east there, Tuesday into Wednesday as the low moves up into eastern Canada. And now we have another storm over eastern Colorado here on Wednesday. Winds start coming back around to the south once more. Clouds will increase late in the day Wednesday. And by next Thursday, the big bad nasty is back. The big storm, negatively tilted, so that's something we have of interest to watch out for. Another storm moving into the west coast, but the one in front of us right now is this one. That's a 984 millibar low over south central Iowa. Showers and thunderstorms across the Ohio Valley down to the lower Mississippi River Valley. Some rain, some snow, lots of wind. We'll have to watch this in future days. A couple days after that into Voodoo, February 25th. A bit of a trough, but not a deep one. We have some energy just off to our east. Another coming through West Texas and southeastern New Mexico. Another moving into the northwest. And a little bit of snow activity, maybe some light snow. If this pans out, it would be maybe an inch or two, but nothing of any significance with any big low pressure centers nearby. And at the end of the forecast on the 1st of March, which is the beginning of meteorological spring, we have some energy moving across the Appalachians and the eastern Midwest and eastern Great Lakes, another over the west coast. And at the surface, that would be a storm system just developing off the Carolina coast. That could ratchet northeastward as if the northeast needs any more snow, and some snow and rain over the west coast as well, maybe a little bit around here as well. The satellite image from last evening, we had the storm system moving off the east coast with some rain showers and a little bit of snow over New England. The beginnings of the Clipper system moving into the plain states with some clouds ahead of it with a few sprinkles and nothing else. The watch morning map from last evening, we had some winter weather advisories from North Dakota through Minnesota and Wisconsin, some wind advisories across the western high plains and the Black Hills into Nebraska, some river flood issues over the south. Elsewhere, it was fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing some decent amounts of precipitation across the Great Lakes into the northeast with some snow, some decent rainfall amounts in the lower Mississippi River Valley, and some rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest.